Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Someday We'll All Be Free by Donny Hathaway in the key of F sharp. The chords of F sharp. Okay, so let's start off with the intro. The intro, played basically, is an F sharp major 7 to a B major 9. To an A flat, to a D flat 11, also known as 9 sus 4. Now you'll hear on the original recording there's a bit of an arpeggiated motion on top of the chord, so let me try to complement the original recording. So when the song starts, there's a lot of reverb, so it's a bit hard to distinguish which keys are being played, but you can hear that he's basically going in an arpeggio. Then you switch chords. Then back to the F sharp major 9. So again, the basic chords are an F sharp major 9 to a B major 9, F sharp, B major 9, A flat, D flat sus 9. And then the first verse starts. He's singing, hang on to the world as it spins around. Just don't let the spin get you down. Things are moving fast. Hold on tight and you will last. Okay, so for the verse, hang on to the world, F sharp major 9, as it spins around. Now, you might see some slightly different voicings, but the basic form is going to be an F sharp major 7, and you can optionally add the 9, maybe even the 13. Then the same thing for the B major 9. Okay, and then F sharp to E flat minor 7 to a B flat minor 7 to an F minor 7, I'm sorry, to a B major 9 to an A flat minor 7. Then a D flat 9 sus 4. Again, that's like playing a B chord on top of D flat. It's really a D flat 11. Okay. The 4 is the 11. And now A flat minor 7. And then we're going to turn that into a minor 7 flat 5 by lowering this E flat to D. Hold on tight and you will last. This is a D flat chord. Now we're going to take our right hand and turn this D flat into E flat. Okay, then we're going to go up a half step to E, which makes it a D flat minor 7. Then, cool little tritone passing chord, D9 13. An easy way to think of this is think of playing an F major 7 on your right hand, but lowering the C to B, and playing a G octave in your bass. let's go through it again. Hang on to the world as it spins around. Just don't let the spin get you down. Things are moving fast. Hold on tight and you will last. Keep your self-respect and your manly pride. Same chords. Get yourself in gear. Keep your stride. Never mind your fears. Okay? Brighter days will soon be here. Okay? Take it from me, someday we'll all be free. So that section again. Brighter days will soon be here. D flat 9 sus4 to a B flat 9 sus4 to a B flat 7 flat 9, and then we're gonna go take E flat minor 7, get B flat minor 7 from F minor 7. C minor 7. Someday we'll all be free. Okay. Take it. Take it from me. Someday we'll all be free. Then you can play a musical instrumental solo to mimic the saxophone if you don't have one. Never mind your fears. Brighter days will soon be here. Take it from me, someday we'll all be free. And that's pretty much the whole song. Hey guys, that was a brief run through of Someday We'll All Be Free by Donny Hathaway. Hey, thank you guys so much, and I will be back with some more tutorials. Take care.